This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring you meet platform prerequisites: channel in good standing, monetization enabled, and a Google Merchant Center ready. Create or link a Merchant Center account, then verify site or channel ownership so listings are trusted. Upload a product feed in a supported format. This is what displays your inventory. Once done, map feed fields to required attributes like ID, title, price, availability, and images so YouTube can show accurate cards and shelves. Next, link your Merchant Center to the specific YouTube channel. Go to Merchant Center settings, select linked accounts, and add your channel ID. Approve any prompts. Then configure product visibility. Decide which items show as product cards, shelves, or in stream shopping. Set regional targeting and currency to match your feed. Make sure product images meet guidelines and that titles contain clear keywords. That helps YouTube match products to relevant videos and search intent for better exposure. Finally, test everything live. Publish a video that displays product cards or a shelf and confirm products appear correctly. Monitor analytics and Merchant Center diagnostics for disapprovals or feed errors. Common issues are price mismatches, missing GTIN, or image problems. If a product is rejected, fix the listed attribute, re-upload the feed, and request a manual review. Make sure your channel meets policy and tax/shipping settings are complete, so items stay approved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.